Hey there. So taking a quick look into the portfolio gallery settings, these options are quite similar to the blog post settings that we talked about earlier. So let's do a quick overview first. We have several sections listed out here, and they're also duplicated in the left-hand column. Scrolling down, we have several other generic options for us to adjust, mainly related to our link structure. So if we take a look at our website, you'll see that we have, let's just head on over to our portfolio section first. Okay, so we'll open up Gallery A, and you'll see that we have our website title / gallery / our gallery title. So if you want to replace the following gallery word to, let's say, portfolio or anything else, be sure to change that slug in the following field. Same would apply to the category. If you want to replace the word gallery to portfolio, update this here and the gallery tags as well. Alright, heading over to the top bar section, this is related mainly to the next and previous buttons and back to portfolio button. So first of all, you can select the page to which your back to portfolio button should lead to. This is very useful if you have a lot of traffic coming in from, let's say, your social media like Facebook. You've published a new gallery and you decided to share that on Facebook. So whenever someone clicks into the actual gallery itself, they will have an option, instead of just next and previous, they will have an option stating here back to galleries page. So you can assign a specific page for that button within the following section. And once again, you can update that back to portfolio, back to galleries, back to my work, etc. You can update that button title here. You can then also adjust the fonts related to it and choose whether or not you want to display the portfolio navigation, which is next and previous buttons. Heading over to gallery view, this area is pretty simple. You simply select the default layout for all of your published galleries. Okay, and here we have a more detailed overview and additional settings for a specific gallery view. So if we click on type B, we have an overview here, and then we can make adjustments related to fonts, titles, text areas for that particular view. If we head on over to type A, you can see that the following options will change accordingly. Same would apply to type C. We have additional options here. So the options are mainly related to fonts, text areas, and also image sizing and spacing between your vertical and horizontal listings. For example, like the following grid layout, we can change the horizontal gutter, which is the horizontal spacing between your thumbnails, the vertical gutter, and you can also set the number of columns, and then also select the ratio for your thumbnails. The same process would apply to type B. We adjust all of our font settings here, decide whether or not you want to showcase your categories, display social media, sharing options, slideshow info, etc., and then also adjust the image height and the mobile settings for those options. Alright, heading over to the content area, this is pretty simple, related mainly to your text areas only. So if you want to adjust a specific font within your portfolios, head on over to Flotheme typography section. The gallery comments area, once again, you can enable or disable the following option, and you can also choose the order and the type of comments you want to have, whether it's WordPress comments or Facebook comments. So for this, you'll need to go over to generics section 5.2, which is located within this section here. Okay, and then our navigation, which is our next previous posts. You can choose whether or not you want to display that navigation, select the background, and make all of the adjustments related to text and fonts as well. Alright, so this is just a quick intro into the actual gallery settings. I hope everything makes sense here, and thanks for watching the following video.